This video shows how to create a Dahlia account. I've opened a browser on my computer and minimized the screen so that it looks like what you might see if you're creating a Dahlia account on your smartphone. When you open your browser, you'll want to go to housing.sfgov.org. If you can't remember this site, you can always search Dahlia SF, and the first result you'll most likely see is the Dahlia San Francisco Housing Portal website. From here, you'll want to select Sign In. You'll need to scroll down towards the bottom and click on Create an Account. If you do remember the housing.sfgov.org website address, you'll want to find the menu located at the top right-hand corner. You'll click there and select the Sign In option. Again, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom and click on Create an Account. Here, you're asked to provide your first name, your middle name is optional, and your last name. You'll be asked to provide your date of birth, including the month, the date, and the year. And then you'll need to provide your email address. It will ask you to enter your email address twice to ensure that it is accurate and correct. You'll then need to create a password. This password needs to be at least 8 characters long, and it must include at least one letter and one number. And again, you'll be asked to provide it twice to make sure that it is accurate and correct. Once you have completed entering this information, you'll want to click on Create Account, and you'll be ready to apply to any Dahlia listing.